Welcome to this week's Q&A. We've got a really good question from one of our viewers in the US, in San Francisco today. And his question is, he said, look, I've got a property that's settling in the next 3 months, and I'm wondering whether I should choose to take a rate lock on a fixed rate loan. Now, obviously it's a tough question because no one knows exactly where rates are going to end up, and certainly trying to finesse that is always a very difficult situation. However, one thing that we can say is some banks will allow you to put in a rate lock on the current available fixed rates up to 90 days prior to settlement. So I guess you just need to be cognizant of the fact that you do need to settle within that time, and that you give yourself sufficient flexibility, I suppose, if anything should go wrong. However, if you then feel that rates are moving up and you want to make sure that you have that peace of mind, and you want to lock in a fixed rate, and this gentleman actually said, look, I'm looking at locking in a 1-year fixed rate, interest only, because this is an investment property. So if you look at that in the context of what's happening at the moment, it may actually not be a silly move. If you look at what's happening in terms of the Australian dollar and how that's performing against the US dollar, albeit there is US dollar weakness in the marketplace. However, one could say that perhaps the RBA is going to raise rates again in July and potentially again August. So it really depends. It's very difficult, and clearly we can't give any specific advice on this. But look, if you're thinking about this, if you think you find this of interest, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click like. And if you want any help with your own situation, or perhaps you're wondering what you should be doing with your own mortgage or investment property loan, then by all means reach out and we'll have somebody contact you. So just email us or call us and we'll get back to you. And I'll see you at next week's Q&A. I'm Andrew Unterweger.